In order to enable secure boot, you need to follow 2 quick and easy steps. Number 1, we need to switch our disk format to GPT. Windows 11 only operates on GPT drives, so this is a non-negotiable in enabling secure boot. To make sure you're not already on GPT, go to your taskbar and right-click on the Start button. Go to Disk Management, right-click on the first section labeled Disk 0 and go to Properties. On this pop-up, go to the Volume tab and check out the partition style of the disk. It needs to say GUID Partition Table or GPT. Obviously, if you're on Legacy, this will say Master Boot Record. So to convert this disk to GPT, all you need to do is close these windows and go to your search bar at the bottom left. Type in CMD, which brings up the command prompt. Right-click on this section and run it as administrator. Hit yes on the pop-up, and then a black square will appear. All you need to do is type in this command exactly as it's shown. MBR to GPT /convert /disk :0 /allow full OS. You have to type it in perfectly, so it might take a couple tries. Once you do it correctly, it should look something like this, for which we are free to switch the firmware to UEFI and enable secure boot in the BIOS. Close the tabs and restart your computer from the home button. While your PC is booting back up, spam the delete key or FN delete if you're on a smaller keyboard. Now, my BIOS is on an Asus motherboard, so it might look different than yours, but the steps are very similar. All we're doing is enabling secure boot in the BIOS, so you can search how to do that for your motherboard model if you want to follow step-by-step instructions, but this tutorial will still work. Go to Advanced Mode, go to Boot, then CSM or Compatibility Support Modulus, and make sure the boot device control is set to UEFI in Legacy or just UEFI. After that, you can go back and select the Secure Boot tab and change the OS type to Windows UEFI mode. Once this is done, you can go to Easy Mode and then save and exit. Hit OK and the PC will start back up into Windows. You can double check and make sure that the system is in UEFI by going to System Information, where it should say UEFI next to BIOS mode. Now, your PC should be Windows 11 ready, assuming you have the right hardware, and you shouldn't have any issues installing Windows 11 when the time comes. If you need a tutorial on how to install Windows 11, be sure to check out my other video, linked in the description.